We are in unit number 4, factorization, reading so far yet, but right now we are having another formula, that is cube formula. Exercise 4.2. There are three parts of this question number 5. The formula we are using for this question, that is a minus b power 3 is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square plus 3a b square, and we know these terms are equal to a minus b over all power 3. And similarly, likewise, a plus b power 3 formula is also there, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square plus 3a b 3a b square. Right now we are using these two formula and these three parts. माबजा यहीं सही पार्टा तो कम ही फार्मूला इस्तेमाल करना और सवाल होती दिमा बराओ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि मैं दिमा एरिया से x cube minus 125 minus 15 square plus 75, and this terms we are going to find a cube b cube and similarly 3a square plus 3ab square. First of all, we can write x cube is a x cube x power 3 minus 125, we know it is equal to 5 to the power 3, and after that we can write minus 3a square. A is our x, we put a square, and b is our 5 plus 3a, a is x, and b, that is 5. With 5 we will write what? Square. This is 5 square. Now this is a formula we know. मुझे एक फार्मूला ही बने कि a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. That formula mazana kiya kujame, that is the formula a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This is equal to a minus b over all power 3. This formula is used in this questions, so we can write a minus b. Our a is x right now here, and b is 5. That's why we can write a minus b x minus 5. So make it the a x or b make it 5 power 3 में जाना power 3 मतलब we can write it thrice. X minus 5 x minus 5 x minus 5, we can write it thrice. So this is written, and this is part number 1 is done like this. Same way we have done part number 1. Now part number 2 is started, that is 8x cube plus 72 x square y. Here first term is 8x cube. We know 8 is cube of 2, and x we write same 2x over all power 3, and last term see 216 y cube. 216, oh, we know this is the cube of 6. 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. If we multiply 6 thrice, so it comes 216. So in place of b we can write 6y power 3. Now in middle we write plus 3a square b. So 3a is 2x and b is 6y. Similarly plus 6y, but with a we put a square. Then we write 3a is 2x and b is what? B is 6y. Right now here with b we put a square, 6y, right, square plus b cube. Now this is a formula. That formula is what? As we know that no formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square plus 3ab square. This formula we are going to write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This is written. This is equal to what? A plus b over all power 3. Similarly, we have this expanded form. We are going to close the formula. So our a is 2x and b is 6y. We can write 2x plus 6y, a plus b power 3. Make it a is 2x or b make it 6y. 2x plus 6y power 3. Power 3 mean we can write this one thrice. 2x plus 6y, 2x plus 6y, 2x plus 6y. This is the answer. This is the vector because we are factorizing the expression. So this is the answer. Make a question answer. This is over. Now we reached next part, that is part number 3. The same questions is going on, exercise 4.2 question number 5. We have x cube right now in front of us, that is x cube. We can write x to the power 3 and last term c 101 over 27 power 3. Here we are searching our b cube. We know 27 is the product of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. If we multiply 3 thrice, it comes 27. That's why we can write 3x power 3, 1 over 3x power 3. This is our now b cube. We can write further 3a square, it means x is our a and b is our 1 over 3x. Similarly 3a, a is our x, with 3a is our x and b is 1 over x. मेकर बी बजम 1 over 3x से और इसे सब बराबर मैं द बी स्क्वायर लिखा प्लस 3 मैंने फार्मूला के दी मैं ये वोडिंग के a क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3a b स्क्वायर प्लस b क्यूब इसे रेफरेंस सम देगा इधर के एज a क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3a b स्क्वायर प्लस b क्यूब इज इक्वल टू a plus b over all power 3. Similarly, the question we have right now in front of us, that is in this form we are writing a is our x and b is 1 over 3x. That's why we can write here x plus 1 over 3x power 3. We are writing it a plus b power 3 over cube form. Now it is in cube form. Cube form में तो का इंशी मतलब इसी को मैं शर्त राइस या सेरंदा लिखित करना मैं की expression है repeat करना x plus 1 over 3x into again x plus 1 over 3x into again x plus 1 over 3x because its power is 3. That's why question is over from here.